All right, we got beef tenderloin here. What are we doing with this? Wait, where's the wine? Who's got the wine we're using to cook? What, Sully? That's not to drink.
Well, it was over a cup. We can't waste it.
Sully, what is it we're making today?
Stuffed beef tenderloin.
Stuffed beef tenderloin. All right, what we've done is butterflied these out, and we've jacquarded it with the jacquard. That's a meat tenderizer with little knives in there. Heidi sniffing the spinach. We're gonna cook some, and what we're gonna do is put our shallots, and we're gonna put our bacon and onions and mushrooms in there. We're gonna put this in. We're gonna roll it up, and then we're grilling this. Stay tuned. This is first week cooking.
What? That was a cup of wine. What the hell?
You gotta cook with something. Just rolling.
Just roll her up. Pinwheel.
Well, get some string. This ain't the rodeo.
How to lasso
Wait,
a beef tenderloin.
I could tell this guy is no cowboy.
Not gonna tell you what it looks like.
Donkey! Hey, donkey! Get over here.
I can only handle so
what?
much
Wait,
videoing of these
Go
guys
right here.
without
Go in
alcohol.
Is this what it feels like when you play with a flaccid penis?
Why are you looking at me?
Hey, pick that end up. Come on, pick it up.
That's what he always says.
Hold it like you meant to. Are you helping?
No!
I can tell.
It obviously scarred
Tim,
me.
did we do it?
Say hello to my little friend.
What do you think?
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
You are wrong on so many.
And you're right there with him. So
About that. It's
tell
right there.
tell Dad what your joke about this one though.
Joke.
Cinderella.
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball?
Oh yeah, that looks perfect right there. Look at that. And we're gonna brush on just a little bit of that delicious sauce. Right at the end, we're gonna let it rest. All right, Sully, get some gravy on there. Woo-wee. Look at that.